Hey guys, this is Aravind from Real Servister. Today we are going to talk about how to become a professional graphic designer. Graphic design is a way to convey a message to people using designs. Graphic design is growing day by day. Without graphic design, you can't persuade your target audience and convert them into sales. Here are the steps that you need to follow to become a professional graphic designer. Understand the basics of graphic design. Watch YouTube tutorials and apply them to your design process. Get advice from the experts. Don't make complex designs. Make your own style. Make use of resources consistent with the process. Understand the basics of graphic design. Before taking any further steps, it is essential that you take the time to learn the design principles and have a solid understanding of the elements of design. Watch YouTube tutorials and apply them to your design. I developed my design skills by watching YouTube tutorials. Moreover, YouTube is an ocean where you can learn anything you want. Get advice from the experts. It's not wrong to get advice from experts, because they've already mastered the field. Make friends in the field, they'll help you to improve your design skills. Don't make complex designs. In graphic design, simple design always wins. So, always focus on simple designs. Don't make it complex, make it simple. Make your own style. If you want to be unique from other designers, you need to find and make your style. It is the best way to become the best professional graphic designer. Make use of resources. Always make use of graphic design resources. It will make your design process easier. Here are some websites where you'll get free and huge discounts on graphic design resources. Creative Market, The Hungry JPEG, Inky Deals, Pixelo, Artixty. Consistent with the process. Practice makes a man success. Be consistent with the process even if you're not satisfied with the outcome and thinking of quitting. Spend at least 2 to 3 hours a day in practice. Let's wrap. Graphic design is a great career to go for. If you're thinking of taking this path, don't hesitate to go, you'll never regret it. Following these steps will make you a professional graphic designer for sure. But be consistent with this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to know more about graphic design and social media marketing.